Damn, I look cute. What the fuck? Who is she? Oh my god. Huh?
Sorry, no, I was watching.
The guy that came up to me in that last snap was like asking me, he basically asking me out. That's so embarrassing. I think he was just looking at me right now. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going home. Oh my god, that's him. Did he just look? Stop! Hey guys, so I'm gonna do like a little tutorial, I guess. I've had these pants for a while. I bought them at Target. They're like the Wild Fable pants. They're really straight though, which I don't really like. I was like gonna donate these, but then if you've seen my last video where I found like this like Halloween decoration, I guess it's like spider webs with spiders and stuff. I'm gonna try to put this on these pants like that, but like the whole pants. Yeah, hopefully it comes out. I try to look up like a video on how to like, I guess, overlay lace on top of like pants or like anything, but I couldn't find a video. Like, I don't know if I was like searching wrong or like, yeah, but couldn't find a video, so we're gonna basically wing it today and hopefully it comes out. I think it was like a table cover or something, but it looks like it could be a tapestry. But yeah, I'm going to put them on my pants and hopefully I have some cool pants by the end of this. I think I'm just going to cut at the seams like, and yeah, I don't know, try to figure it out. I have no idea honestly what I'm doing. Fuck. Yeah, I really don't know. I think I'm gonna do it inside out though. No, but that doesn't make sense. I'm so confused. You know what? First, I'm just gonna try to sew like the... I don't know. I think I'm just gonna fucking cut it and do it and we'll see. It's been done. I cut it up to the line that I put and then to the crotch. Just because I didn't want to do it all. I stopped for like 1 minute to take a picture of it, and this little booty right here had to go and lay on the leg that I was working on. He could have laid on the one that was already done, but no. Excuse me. Ugh, it's gonna be so hard to get him off. I already know he's gonna fuck it up. My cats, every time I try to sew something, they all of a sudden they want to be all up in my business. Dante? Yeah, you? Can you move, please? He got his legs all spread out too. He's like, no, the fuck? My dumbass broke another needle. What the heck? I was trying to sew the top right here, but it's like kind of thick. I don't have any like heavy duty needles, and I'm pretty sure that was my last needle that I had. I'm gonna check if my sister has extra needles. I'm just gonna steal hers because she doesn't even use her fucking sewing machine. Damn, that sucks. I was almost done with one leg. Almost. And then that happened. I stay breaking needles. What the hell? This is how they look so far. I only got to do this leg. This leg hasn't had anything done to it, but yeah, I've only got to do this leg so far. Okay, I stole a needle from my sister's sewing kit. So let's get back to work. I'm gonna try to sew the same part that I was sewing right now that broke my needle. So hopefully it just doesn't break again. It happened again. And that bitch broke in like 2 minutes. What the hell? Okay, it's really like 8 p.m. now and I started this at like 2. And I'm still not fucking done. But you know why? Because denim is so hard to sew. And I already messed up like 3 needles. Yeah, the last needle, it got bent. Literally like... what the hell? Hey guys. So it's the next day. I already went to Hobby Lobby and I got some more sewing needles. I got like the heavy duty ones that are actually for jeans and shit. So hopefully no needles break today. Okay, so this is how they look so far. I attached like all the sides and stuff, I really just need to still attach like the top part right here. I just didn't want to do it because I was scared like my needle was gonna break. Hopefully we could sew a little faster today with our really heavy duty needles and get this shit done because I'm tired. Whenever I do a sewing project, I'm like, I hate sewing. But then when it comes out good, I'm like, oh, I made this. But yeah, it just takes way longer than I expected to. Like I was like, oh, I'll just finish it in like a day. Like, all I have to do is attach this lace and then sew the pants closed, and that's it. No, bitch, that I underestimated all the work. Okay, so I tried on the pants right now, and they already look so cute. I kind of do not want to make them flared, just because I like how they are right now. And also just because I'm lazy and I don't want to do anything else. Like, ugh, it's so much work. Like, I'm fucking tired. Like, I hate denim. I still need to take off, like, this. I just need to cut this off. I'm too lazy to do anything else to them. I literally told everyone, yeah, I'm gonna make them flared. Yeah, we're gonna make these flared. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy. Is this too much? Like the mesh on mesh? I think it is. I don't think it goes together. Like to shake my ass, and these lames, they send me cash. I'm a nani, but my wallet be bigger than your dad's. I know you think I'm freaky. I heard all of the slander. I got some thick skin and I don't pay them no matter. Cause I don't care how you perceive me. Yeah, I love that I'm freaky. And I know your bitch ass could never ever be me. Oh my god, I almost fell. These pants were such a fucking pain in the ass to make. I'm just happy that they are done. As you can tell, I did not hem the bottom of these just because I liked how it looked, kind of just like a raw hem and shit like that. So yeah, I don't know, tell me, should I hem them or you like it just the way it is? So yeah, let me know if y'all make some pants like this. It was kind of a pain in the butt. Let me know if you thought they were ugly. Like, did y'all think they were ugly? Are they cute? Personally, I like them. I think they're cute. Like, does spiderweb pants exist? Like, you know, like this style? I don't know. I've never seen anything like this, so I think it's cool. The only thing is I don't have no pockets anymore. I was going to sew like cutouts for the pockets and shit, but then I got so overwhelmed already with how much fucking shit I already did that I was just like, actually I don't need pockets. I was like, some pants I own don't have pockets. It should be fine. You can make it with pockets. It's just I was too lazy. Fuck, why am I out of breath? I'm literally just talking. What else could I say? Y'all know how I'm always talking about TikTok? Guess what? I'm getting fucking bullied on there. Because of my Spanish, because I'm not fluent. Literally everyone's like making fun of me because I use like the wrong grammar. So instead of like correcting me so I could learn, oh, don't say it like that, say it like this. Nah, everyone was like, oh, girl, just give up on Spanish. Oh, don't even speak Spanish unless you speak it correctly. Like, what the fuck? Am I just supposed to magically be fluent? Like, can I not make any mistakes while I'm learning the language? And yeah, people were being so rude about it. They were like, she doesn't know sabo. Oh, no sabo, kid. Da da da. And then they were like acting like if they couldn't understand me. I was like, y'all speak Spanish, but you don't know what I'm saying? Like, those are Spanish words. And I put a fucking translation for you, so y'all can't read English? Huh? That shit made me mad. Honestly, I fucking cried. And I was crying on my Snapchat too. Just cause like, that shit hurt my feelings. Like, cause when, I'm not trying to cry right now, but like when I was younger, like, I was exposed to the internet at a very young age. I don't know about y'all, but I was exposed to the internet at a very young age. So I don't know if you guys know the old website called Stickum. It's basically like, it was basically like Twitch back in the day, but like people would just stream like themselves and shit, or like bands would go in there and do like Q&As and stuff, or performances for like their fans, literally online, live. And then I used to stream on there too. Like, I was like, what, like 12 or 11, and I would just stream and like talk to random people and shit. And then like there was always racist people on that website. So they would call me like a spick, they would call me a wetback, they would call me like an illegal person and like shit like that. So then that stuff like made me hate being Mexican and like being brown, and I hated it. So I was like, I don't want to learn Spanish, I don't want to be Mexican, ew, paisas, da, 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 like ew, that's not me, you know. So I was like, I don't want to learn Spanish. Like my dad even remembers me being like that. Like I was like, ew, no, I'm not Mexican, shit like that. And then as I got older, I like realized, I was like, okay, I was like, I'm only hating like my Mexicanness because other people hate it. Like they hate me because I'm brown. So that hatred made me hate myself and like other people who are like me. And then I was like, you know what, fuck those people, like they're just racist, like they're just trying to make me feel bad. Like I was like a fucking like 13-year-old and they're like bullying me. And then so like when I got older, I did want to learn Spanish and stuff, and like just because like my grandma only speaks Spanish, I want to be able to talk to my grandma. And like I don't know, I want to be able to talk to people who cannot speak English. I want to be able to like talk to them and stuff like that. So it's like, first I was rejected by like racist people who do not like Mexicans, and then now I'm trying to speak Spanish and be more Mexican, and then now these Latino people, these Mexicans are attacking me saying, oh, don't even bother, like give up on your Spanish, like what was that, like I know white people who speak better Spanish than you and shit. Like what the fuck, like I don't get it. Like y'all didn't have to go in like that, for real. And like I don't know, after all those comments, I literally got probably like 500 comments literally just shitting on me and like how I speak like Spanish and shit like that. And then eventually some people were like, why are y'all making fun of her, da da da, like oh she's just trying to learn. And then other people were commenting like, oh this is why I'm embarrassed to speak Spanish, or oh this is why I'm scared to speak Spanish. Or someone was like, oh all these comments are why people hate the Latino community, da da da, whatever. And then I was like, I don't know, like I'm embarrassed to speak Spanish. Like if I go to a place, people see me and they're like, she's brown, she speaks Spanish. So then like if I'm like at a restaurant or like a store or something and they're talking to me in Spanish, I'm like, oh my god. And then I get all scared and I'm like, oh, once I speak they're gonna know that like I don't know what the fuck. So like yeah, like it always gets me anxiety and shit like that, and I get scared and like I don't want to speak Spanish and I get embarrassed about speaking Spanish. I'm like, oh I said that wrong, or oh I sound stupid. And then like just to have people like tell me that, like hundreds of people tell me that, it's like discouraging to like my journey of trying to like connect to my roots, basically. Oh my god, I'm not trying to cry. Why am I even talking about this? I guess I just wanted to tell someone, I don't know, I was like, let me just grab the camera and just talk. But yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, I don't want to cry because I'm not trying to mess up my makeup, but I guess don't be ashamed of who you are, how good your language level is, shit like that. Like, just because other people make you feel like you're not good enough, it doesn't mean that it's true. Oh, oh my god, okay, I'm not gonna cry, I'm okay, I'm not crying. But yeah, let me know if y'all like the pants. Took me like a long time to do this shit, but yeah, let me know, leave a comment, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, everything at Nani. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time for my new video, which I do not know what it's gonna be yet, so we'll see. But yeah, see y'all later. Bye.